Spending long hours out on the water should be relaxing, not uncomfortable. That's why today, I'm bringing you the 5 best boat seats on Amazon that can take your boating experience to the next level. From cushioned comfort to durability in tough weather, I'll go over what makes each seat worth considering, and of course, I'll share both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect. If you're ready to upgrade your boat setup for maximum comfort and style, stick around. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick. GCI Outdoor Sitbacker Adjustable Canoe Seat. The GCI Outdoor Sitbacker Adjustable Canoe Seat is a practical solution for anyone who spends long hours paddling. Its built-in back support makes a huge difference in comfort, especially on longer trips, reducing strain and allowing you to focus on enjoying the water. The seat is lightweight and folds easily, so transporting it isn't a hassle. The adjustable straps help you customize the angle for better posture, which adds to its usability. On the downside, the padding could be thicker for extended use, as it may feel firm after a while. Still, for portability and solid back support, it's a smart buy for canoe enthusiasts. Number 2. My second best pick. North Captain T1 Deluxe Folding Boat Seat. The North Captain T1 Deluxe Low Back Folding Boat Seat is a sturdy and comfortable choice for boat owners. The low back design offers good support without feeling bulky, making it easy to sit comfortably for hours while fishing or cruising. It's built with marine-grade vinyl that holds up well against sun and water exposure, and the included stainless steel screws make installation straightforward. The folding feature also saves space when the seat isn't in use. One downside is that the cushioning may feel a bit firm for those who prefer softer seating. Overall, it's a reliable, well-built seat that balances comfort and durability nicely. Number 3. My third best pick. XGR Deluxe Low/High Back Boat Seat. The XGR Deluxe Low/High Back Boat Seat is a versatile option for boaters who value both comfort and practicality. Its fold-down design makes storage simple, while the option to use it as a low or high back seat adds flexibility, depending on your preference. The marine-grade vinyl feels durable and resists wear from water and sun exposure, making it ideal for long-term use. Comfort-wise, the padding is supportive for hours of fishing or cruising. One con is that installation may take a little extra effort if you're not familiar with mounting boat seats. Overall, it's a dependable, comfortable, and durable choice for upgrading your boat seating. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Leader Accessories Two-Tone Captain's Boat Seat. The Leader Accessories Two-Tone Captain's Bucket Seat is a stylish and premium upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their boat seating. The sporty design not only looks great, but also feels supportive with its flip-up bolster, which gives you the option to sit higher for better visibility while driving. The high-quality marine-grade vinyl holds up well against sun and water, and the cushioning is firm yet comfortable for long outings. One downside is that it's bulkier than standard seats, so it may not fit smaller boats easily. Still, if you want comfort, durability, and a captain's chair look, this seat is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Deluxe Marine High Back Folding Boat Seat. The Deluxe Marine High Back Folding Boat Seat is a solid option for those who want comfort and reliability without overspending. The high back design provides excellent support, especially during long fishing trips or extended rides, which makes a noticeable difference compared to low-profile seats. The marine-grade vinyl feels tough and resists cracking or fading from sun exposure, while the fold-down function is practical for saving space when the seat isn't in use. A small drawback is that the padding could feel a bit firm for some after hours of sitting. Overall, it's a durable, supportive, and functional choice for upgrading boat seating. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite boat seats? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.